All right, so let's go on to the next one. Wearing two shapewear can be effective. When I was starting out in styling, I did a lot of like celebrity and high fashion editorials and BET Rip the Runway and Project Runway all the way in the beginning. And there was a celebrity who put two on. There are still some people who really want to get the look. When I mean get the look, like they want to get the look. They want to have that snatched waist. And before there was all this, instant editing on the phone, people would do that. I'm not really in the celebrity space. That never was an interest for me. That never has been an interest in me. I just wanted to get my 10,000 hours in to kind of just solidify where I wanted to be in styling. But I've seen it done, and boy, oh boy, I know they said that they could not eat. They barely drank water, and they could not sit down. So, I mean, do that at your own discretion, but I would not recommend it, especially since I deal with more of everyday people, professionals, and you guys are kind of moving and grooving and kind of need to get stuff done. I would not recommend it, but I have seen it done because they really wanted to get the look. And people in the public eye, they need to have a pristine look. They need to keep that look going that they have. So, is it effective? Can it be done? Yes. Would I recommend it? It depends. If you like a personal brand creator going to a networking party and you're trying to get that snatch look, I'm going to suggest you eat before you go. Get your makeup done, get dolled up, and look cute and mute. That's all I'm going to say.